This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charlene Dinkla. Horse Lovers Gated Estate on 21.72 gorgeous acres plus an additional 20 acres available. Property is fenced cross-fenced. Elegant custom home, 4+ stalls with sliding decorative doors, tack and feed room, state-of-the-art barn, 5 pastures, 30 feet x 32 feet equipment shed, commercial grade 30 feet x 40 feet dream workshop, 17.6 by 17.6 greenhouse, 8 feet x 8 feet pump house, 12 feet x 20 feet 2-run dog kennel, chicken coop, natural spring pond, all surrounded by oaks, fruit trees, crepe myrtle, magnolia, palms, live oaks and more. Home boasts stunning real wood floor, dream kitchen with custom maple cabinets with pull-out drawers, granite countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliances with pot filler over cooktop, double oven, and separate butler's pantry. Luxury master suite with double door entry, walk-in shower, his/her vanities, and oversized closet. 8 feet doors downstairs make this home open and welcoming. Cozy great room with cast iron hearth gas heater that opens into dining room. Upstairs has large bedroom, full bath and large bonus room bedroom. Downstairs study could be 4th bedroom. Relax and enjoy the beauty from screen lanai. For more information, review the details below.